everyone, here's a video of another snazzy little deck van. This one's got some great set of wheels on it. It looks very trick. Chrome door handle surround, you can see there, and very clean vehicle. Nice inside. I think it's just been used in the city, that's all, not any off-road or anything like that. Got some good tyres on. All looks pretty nice. Deck itself is in good condition, no problems there, all clean and tidy, not really been used probably that much, and inside's also very nice. See the seats, excellent. In here, no dirt. Steering wheel's very good, got some aftermarket speakers, got this pretty jazzy stereo system in it too. Place TV, all sorts of other things, navigation, got some cool speakers in the back, bench seat in the back of course, and kind of car-like dashboard. Four-wheel drive's there. If you press the button here, press that button there, four-wheel drive comes on. You can see it's done 58,000 Ks, about 30,000 miles. It's a 5-speed manual, as I just demonstrated there. It's got 2 or 4-wheel drive. Nice cold air conditioning, completely enclosed cabin. It will be sold in America as off-road use only vehicle. So it's in competition with ATVs, that kind of thing, but you can see it's equipped very well compared to the ATV. It's got a nice enclosed cabin, power windows, good stereo. It's a pretty good vehicle and it's in excellent condition. So this is going to be shipped out very shortly. If you'd like to buy this vehicle, one like this, or you think you can make some money by selling these as a distributor for us in the United States, have a look on our website samuraimini.com and you'll see a lot more information.